Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix turtle pitch no sound issue. First is to check the volume levels. Ensure your headset volume isn't muted or turned down, and check system in-game audio levels. 2 is to verify connections. Confirm cables or wireless transmitters are securely plugged in, and reconnect it using a switch USB or audio ports if possible. Third is set headset as default audio onto your device. Onto the PC, go to the sound settings, playback devices, select the turtle pitch as a default. Fourth is to update firmware and drivers. You can use their application, which is the Turtle Pitch Audio Hub app, to update the headset firmware and PC audio drivers. Fifth is to test on another device, and then sixth is to reset the headset. You can power it off and then hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to reset. This is for the wireless models. 7 is inspect for damage. Now, if the problem persists, connect or contacting Turtle Pitch support or considering a replacement may be necessary. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.